Flip mode, flip mode.
Let's go.
Damn, feel it. Yeah. Damn, feel it. Flip mode.
Move, cat. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Timbro69 here once again, and I did what I said I was going to do. I bought me a hole puncher, some Nike shoelaces, and then some lace locks, and I punched the holes in the shoes, and I put the lace locks in, and I laced the shoes up. Man, they do not look bad at all. Filled it on up. That's what it looks like. I could have did a little bit better, but I mean, I don't care. You know, I'd rather have some messed up holes with laces rather no holes and no laces. I thought that was the dumbest promotion Nike could have ever did was make some shoes without the laces. I mean, you know, it probably was a good idea going in, but I mean, everybody wanted the laces. Plus, you know, this shoe probably be dangling on your feet without no laces. So this is the final product, guys. This is a cat. Get off my couch. Punch all the holes in there. Now, I'm gonna tell you something. If you guys plan on doing that, you have to punch 4 extra holes because there's no holes there. One right here, one right there, one right there in the middle of that one, and one right there in the middle of that one. The 4 extra holes you have to punch in. Other than that, if you don't, you'll have to lace it up from here and go all the way up. I mean, it looked funny. I was like, man, something ain't right. After I punched all these laces and those laces, I started lacing them up. I said, something ain't right. So, you know, I went to my closet, grabbed a pair of 5s, and I was like, oh, okay, that's the problem. I forgot the extra 4 holes. So, and I believe the original lace lock was black, and I believe this teal color one came on the black suede grapes. But I mean, I don't care. I think this looks better. They should have put it on the original white grapes instead of the black one. I like this blue one better. So yeah, this is the final product. I won't be wearing these right now. Oh man, got a damn closet full of tennis shoes. A couple pair I only wore once or twice. I think I got like 4 pair I never put on. See, that's the thing about buying a lot of shoes, you know what I'm saying? You can't wear all of them. So yeah, man, this is what I got. I won't be wearing these right now. I'll probably break these out in the spring. Everybody done already wore theirs. This is a nice UA right here. I don't care what nobody say. They came with the no peaks. Then these shoelaces right here, you know, they really cover up the peaks up here, so I really ain't really tripping off of taking them off. I don't care. But this is the finished product. I think it's dope. So, man, stay tuned, guys. If you want to know where you can get this deal right here, they don't carry it at no other, you might can find it at your local hardwood store, but Home Depot doesn't carry them. You have to go to Lowe's to get one of these. And then when you start punching the holes in it, you'll kind of see which hole puncher to use. The setting I have it on now is for the little holes. You have to use a bigger one for the one up top, and I punched 2 holes in that. As a matter of fact, the one I use, see, that's right there is a 3. And I use a 3.5 for the top. So 3 on the little ones and 3.5 on the top. And all you need to do is just punch two holes, one at the bottom, one at the top. You know, because it's kind of bigger. So that's the finished product, guys. Make a dude feel like he done sewed and put a shoe together himself. But that ain't the case. I ain't did nothing but just punch the holes in it. You know, Chinese is the real genius. I don't care what nobody say, man. Y'all can get mad at the Chinamen all y'all want to. I mean, you know, they doing what they can to make their bread over there. And this is what they do. They smart. I mean, I ain't got nothing against UAs. You know what I'm saying? I mean, and then, you know, people tell people, why y'all buy those replica shoes if y'all can't afford them? Y'all shouldn't even be trying to wear no fakes. Come on, man. Do you listen to how you sound, bro? Man, China did the best thing that they could ever do for anybody who can't afford the real deals. They started replicating the top quality authentics. And now we have a UA. I mean, you know, I come to the realization, you know, it's not an authentic shoe. I mean, I do believe it's the same material and the same mold. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's a fake shoe. But you wanna know what else? Every shoe from Foot Locker, Foot Action, Finish Line, Champs, Stadium Goods, StockX, all those are copies as well. So, I mean, you can look at it how you want to. They all copies because the original shoe is, you know, somewhere in the one of these Nike factories. You know what I'm saying? Chilling. That's where the original shoe is. All these are copies. Every last one of them. But, you know, people cry over, you know, where the shoe is bought from. And, I mean, it's understandable. You know, you pay your money. You know, you don't want to get got for fakes or whatever. I mean, but they the same shoe to me. For real, for real. I'm going to rock the shit out of them like they authentic. Somebody asked me. Shit, I tell them I've done it before. It's not no thing. But nobody really asked me, are they real or fake? I mean, why would you? It's a stupid ass question. All you can really say is nice kicks, bro. You know, keep it pushing. But enough for me chit chatting. I'm about to go scour the web. You know, check my orders, see when they coming in. I got some more heat coming in. I be saying to myself, no more shoes, Timmy. No more. But I can't help it. I need them. I don't need them, I want them. Alright, guys, man. Y'all stay up. I mean, if y'all plan on doing this, go get you one of these at Lowe's. Either you can get one at Lowe's or you can order one on eBay, Amazon. They sell them too. They all around the same price. I wouldn't pay no more than $12 for one. The cheapest you're gonna get it probably is around $7-8. That's the normal going rate. And get to punching, and you too can accomplish this. 100.